Hello everyone! Today we'll be unbagging or unboxing the June 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. Let's begin. Okay, so every month with all the levels of Ipsy, there's 3 levels, you get a bag with a subscription and you do get to choose one item, and you can also choose add-ons as well each month. So usually when you open the bag, you get a card that tells you what's inside. Oops. It looks like this month they don't have that card, but okay. But if you don't, you can always go on their app or website and you can check out the items and their prices and their information. So let's see what fell out. Okay. So the first item that I see in here is this Cellulite Perfect Cleansing Oil Foam. And here it's saying it's a double effect cleanser, oil to foam, for dry and sensitive skin. It's made in Korea. So this is what it looks like. Okay. The next item is this Surematic Azulin Soothing Cream, and this product, I found it on their website, and the full size of this retails for $29. Oh, and this one, the full size of this cleanser retails for $27.50, but it is on sale for $24 right now. And the next item is this Sugar Cosmetics matte lipstick, and it's in the color Viola. And this product retails for $20.99. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, let's swatch it. It's a nice color. It's this mauvey rosy shade. It's really pretty. Okay. The next item in here is this First Aid Beauty matte primer, and the full size product for this retails for $29. Okay, and there is one last item in the box. Let's see. So this last item is an Inmo eyeshadow, Velvet Dream Shadow, and the color is Queen Bee. Let's see, Queen Bee. That's the name of it, and let's see what it looks like. Okay. Has this golden color. Let's swatch it. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty gold color, shimmery. And this product, the value of it that it retails for is $9 on their website. So those are all the products for the June Glam bag for Ipsy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!